Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the incredible stories of the people working to protect it. I'm your host, David, and today we have a truly inspiring tale to share with you. In the heart of Nigeria, a country where bats are often shunned and associated with witchcraft, one woman's dedication to saving these fascinating creatures has earned her international recognition. Dr. Irora Tanshi, a Nigerian scientist, has been awarded the prestigious Goldman Environmental Prize for her tireless efforts to protect the endangered short-tailed roundleaf bat. Imagine being in the Afi Mountain Wildlife Sanctuary, surrounded by the lush greenery of southeastern Nigeria, and stumbling upon a species of bat that hadn't been seen in almost 50 years. That's exactly what happened to Dr. Tanshi, and it sparked a passion within her to ensure the survival of these incredible animals. But her work wasn't without its challenges. Human-induced wildfires posed a significant threat to the bat's habitat, and Dr. Tanshi knew she had to act fast. Through her community-led campaign, Dr. Tanshi not only worked to prevent wildfires, but also educated local people about the importance of bats in nature. She engaged with the community through various forms of media, focusing on children, and helped them understand the critical role that bats play in dispersing seeds and pollinating plants. It's fascinating to think that the shea butter we use in our daily lives is, in part, thanks to the efforts of these tiny creatures. Dr. Tanshi's work is a testament to the power of dedication and community-led conservation. By working together with local people, she's prevented serious wildfires from breaking out in and around the sanctuary, protecting not only the bats, but also the ecosystem as a whole. It's an incredible honor, as Dr. Tanshi herself said, to be recognized globally for her work, and we couldn't be more thrilled to share her story with you. As we take a break, remember that there are countless stories like Dr. Tanshi's out there, waiting to be told. Stories of people working tirelessly to protect our planet and all its inhabitants. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the ancient oceans of the Paleozoic era, over 450 million years ago. It's a time when the first jellyfish-like creatures began to appear, and today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating discoveries in this field. Meet Paleocana tentaculum, a tubular polyp that's been unearthed in the fossil records of Quebec, Canada. Imagine a creature that looks like a cross between a jellyfish and a car wash tubeman, with a crown of tentacles that it uses to capture prey from the ocean floor. This is what Paleocana tentaculum might have looked like, based on the interpretive drawings of the fossilized specimens. The discovery of this ancient creature has shed new light on the evolution of jellyfish and their relatives, and it's a remarkable story of how scientists have been able to reconstruct the past from the fossils that remain. The fossils themselves were discovered by an amateur fossil hunter named John Yellamo, who donated his findings to the Musée de Paléontologie et de l'Évolution in Montreal. The team of researchers who studied these fossils, led by Louis-Philippe Bateman and Greta Ramirez Guerrero, were able to examine 135 fossilized specimens and compare their anatomy to 69 living and extinct species related to present-day jellyfish. What they found was astonishing. The creatures were aligned in the same direction when they died, suggesting that they were buried rapidly in place without being transported far from where they lived. This rapid burial, combined with low oxygen conditions in the surrounding environment, slowed down the decay process and helped preserve the animals before the sediment turned to rock. As we delve deeper into the story of Paleocana tentaculum, we begin to appreciate the significance of this discovery. It's not just about an ancient creature that looks like a jellyfish, it's about the evolution of life on Earth, and how these early creatures paved the way for the diversity of marine life that we see today. The discovery of Paleocana tentaculum also highlights the importance of fossil hunting and the role that amateur collectors can play in advancing our knowledge of the natural world. It's a reminder that there's still so much to be discovered, even in the most unexpected places, and that the story of life on Earth is still being written. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude today's journey, I'd like to share with you a fascinating story that highlights the resilience and adaptability of creatures in the natural world. Meet Bruce, a Kia parrot who has defied all odds to become the alpha male of his group, despite being disabled. Bruce's story is one of innovation and determination, as he has developed unique strategies to overcome the challenges posed by his damaged beak. In a study conducted at the Willowbank Wildlife Reserve in New Zealand, researchers observed Bruce's behavior and social interactions with his group. What they found was remarkable. Bruce had developed a specialized combat technique that utilized his exposed lower beak to jab and repel other birds. This unique approach, combined with his kicking ability, made him a formidable opponent, and he won all 36 of his recorded interactions with other males. But Bruce's dominance isn't just about aggression, he's also formed strong bonds with the other birds in his group. In fact, they often preen him, helping to clean parts of his beak that he cannot reach himself. This behavior is unusual among kea, and it's a testament to Bruce's charisma and leadership. What's even more remarkable about Bruce's story is that he's achieved this status without the support of an able-bodied ally. He is the first recorded example of a disabled animal rising to the top of a social hierarchy on his own merit. And as if that weren't enough, Bruce has also been observed using pebbles to clean his feathers, demonstrating his resourcefulness and ability to adapt to challenging situations. Bruce's story is an inspiration to us all, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, we have the power to overcome obstacles and achieve great things. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of perseverance, creativity, and community. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.